This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
सरोजमेता इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलमधले सगळे मुलं आले आहेत आणि सगळं व्यवस्थित ऐकून घेतलं. सगळी माहिती मी सांगितली, व्यवस्थितपणे ऐकून घेतली आणि सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट केला. व्यवस्थित क्वेश्चन विचारले तरी सगळे छान वाटलं खूप.
Happy morning everybody, my name is Jimmy Amar Bedikar. Today is Doctor Day. On this occasion we visit Ameya Laboratory. It was very great experience as they gave us lot of information about how we check samples and how we check sugar, pH, a lot of things. We get information about a lot of things. Today, personally, I was not knowing this much things. Thank you.
It was a very great experience, and owner of the Ameya laboratory showed us very informative things. They showed about various machines and blood samples and how they are tested, urine samples, and the magnitude of the machines and various things. Thank you.
Evolution.